Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines. There are 5 of them. The first routine is our morning routine followed by our children's morning routine. Our second, if you are an at-home fly baby, is your laundry followed by your paper. Those 3 things, they happen boom, boom, boom. Next, if you are payroll, you're going to go to work after you do the morning routine and the children's morning routine. That's it for you. When you come home, you're going to put in a load of laundry and go through an inch of paper. Next, in the routine area, isn't going to happen until after dinner. It's the after dinner routine. And then the last one is the before bed routine, which obviously happens before bed. Okay, we're going to do our morning routine if we're at-home fly babies, followed by our zone. We're in zone 2, the kitchen. But today we're skipping our zone because the third layer of our cake is our basic weekly plan. Today is free day, so there is no zone, no project, that's it. So you're doing your 3 little morning routine items and then you're done. You're going to go do something for yourself. I hope you planned it. I hope you put it in your planner and you looked at it and you said, yes, tomorrow's my free day and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Starbucks and get a cup of coffee and just drink it out of one of the actual ceramic cups instead of a paper cup and sit there and watch people or look at something on my phone or read a book. That's what I'm going to do. Or I'm going to take my cup and get in the car, paper cup, and drive for a bit. Or I'm going to the library. I'm going to let the children read and I'm going to settle down and read myself. Or, there's so many things you can think of to do for yourself. But today is your day. It is not a work day. It is a relaxed day. Okay? So plan it. Don't default it. All right. Now, when you're working, you still have it as a free day. You're going to go to work. When you come home, you're going to do your laundry and your paper routine. But you are not going to do any zone work, and you're not going to do any basic routine. Basic weekly plan items because your basic weekly plan is your free day. So you're going to enjoy the afternoon from the time you get your laundry going and you go through your paper. The rest of it is yours. Of course, you're going to make dinner. We all are going to make dinner. We all are going to have our before bed routines. But think of something to do for you in this time. Squeeze in a little time for you. Okay, that's it for today. This one is always short and sweet. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And I want you to remember that you are beautiful.